Cześć, tutaj Moni and welcome to Learn Polish with Advans. Today we're practicing talk, clause and instrumental. Let's get straight to it. New words, new adjectives here. Let me go through them here. Dobry, good. Inteligentne, nowe słowo, new word. Inteligentne, intelligent. Miłe, nice or kind. Wysoki, tall. Niski, short. Ciekawe, interesting. Smutne, sad. Energiczne, energetic. Wesoły, happy, content as well. Znane, well known or famous. So once again, please repeat after me. Dobry, inteligentny, miły, wysoki, niski, ciekawy, smutny, energiczny, wesoły, znany. Here we've got some professions that you already are familiar with. Nauczyciel, teacher, him. Lekarz, a doctor, he. Pielęgniarka, a nurse, she. Aktor, actor, he. Polityk, politician, he. Modelka, a model, she. You can see K specifies the female. Muzyk, musician, he or she. Inżynier, an engineer, he or she. Dentystka, a dentist, female. And artysta, an artist, he. And some names. Jan, Marek, Aneta, Władek, Maciek, Ewa, Beata. Make sure that when you see this name, you don't say Beata, but Beata, E-A. Okay, so Beata, Wojtek, Agnieszka, and Paweł. So let's start. What I would like you to say is, and I'm going to be tricky. Sometimes I'm going to, if we can use the talk clause, and you need to analyze, you need to come up with an answer. So let's start with easy, and then we're going to step up when it comes to the difficulty of the lesson. So Jan is a teacher using talk clause. That's the correct answer. We can do that. We can say it using talk clause because we've got a noun. Nauczyciel. Jan is a teacher using instrumental, please. That's the answer. Jan jest nauczycielem. I would like you to say, Jan is good. Think how you can say it, whether you can use talk clause or not. That's the answer. That's the only way of saying it. You cannot use talk clause or anything else, right? Instrumental, no, because it's who is what like, not who is who. Okay, and we know that talk clause doesn't apply to adjectives. So Jan jest dobry, as if it was the English translation of Jan is good. Okay, right. So let's say now, Marek is intelligent. I give you a few seconds to think about this, and you can also stop the video if it helps you. Marek jest inteligentny. Marek is intelligent. The same situation as Jan jest dobry, isn't it? So Marek jest inteligentny. Okay, I would like you to say Marek is a doctor using instrumental, please. If we use instrumental, then we know we use jest, and we've got the ending for instrumental M. Who is who? Marek jest lekarzem. Okay? Do the same, please, with the to clause. Marek is a doctor. In this instance, we are using to, we can do that, and we are using the nominative case, right? Because this is what to clause does to the noun that follows. Nominative case. Marek to lekarz. Aneta is a nurse, using to clause. Using to clause. That's the answer. Aneta to pielęgniarka. That's the answer. So to clause, nominative case, pielęgniarka. How about Aneta is a nice or kind nurse, using to clause, please. We are stepping up in a level of difficulty here. Now, you might have said miłe, right? Seeing miłe here. But you know that when it comes to nominative case, our adjective has to match the gender of the noun. Pielęgniarka is female, therefore miła. Okay? Aneta to miła pielęgniarka. Can we do to clause here? Yes, we can. Why? Because we've got a noun. So we can add our adjective to a noun simply because we are covered with this word here. So Aneta to miła pielęgniarka. Okay? How about, I don't want to do adjectives in instrumental case yet, so you are not going to do adjectives in instrumental. But how about Aneta is a nurse, using instrumental? Can you see the difference? I'm using jest. Yeah, this is our is. Who is, specifically is, jest. Who, Aneta jest pielęgniarką. Ending for the feminine nouns in instrumental. Yeah? As she is a female, pielęgniarka, right? So Aneta jest pielęgniarką. How about Aneta is kind? This is the answer. There is no other way of saying it. Aneta jest miła. Aneta jest miła. Okay. Now, please look at wysoki aktor Władek. I would like you to say Władek, using the name, Władek is an actor, using to clause. Can we say it using to clause? Yes, we can. Actor is a noun. I can do that. I can use nominative case. Well, I have to use it in the nominative case when I'm using to clause. Władek to aktor. Now, what I would like you to consider now, I would like you to say he is an actor. How would you say it? Could you say it using to clause or just instrumental? Think about it for a second. He, not Władek, but he is an actor. This is the answer. I cannot use to clause. Why? Because I'm using the personal pronoun on he, right? This cancels my to clause entirely, the word on. If I replace on with Władek, with his name, with the name Władek, that sentence is right. The sentence is right because I say Władek jest aktorem, using instrumental case, but I can also say Władek to aktor, right? But I cannot say on to actor. This is wrong. I cannot say this. Okay, so I'm going to erase this straight away from your view. So on jest aktorem. Okay. Now what I would like you to say is he is tall. On jest wysoki. Right? Because we are saying who is what like. Right? We are using, and we only have an adjective here. We are not saying he is a tall actor. Right? We only saying he is tall, therefore we are using on yes, nominative case, nothing, no instrumental, no to clause, entirely, nothing, okay? How about Maciek is a politician using instrumental. Maciek jest politykiem. Do you remember that when we've got a K letter, we need to soften it a little bit with kiem, not kem, but kiem. Maciek jest politykiem. How about Maciek is a short politician? Just ignore the sense of these sentences for now, okay? So Maciek is a short politician. Using to clause, sorry. To clause. Can I say it like this? Yes, I can, because I've got a noun. Now, let's erase the noun. Can I say it like this? Is that a correct sentence? Maciek to niski? No, because I only have an adjective. Therefore, Maciek jest. Remember, to niski is impossible. If you want to say it, then you have to follow it with a noun, okay? So Maciek jest niski, okay? Maciek is a politician using to clause. Maciek to polityk. Maciek to polityk. Okay. Ewa is interesting. We are here now. So Ewa is interesting. Oh, sorry, I don't know why it made it a little bit smaller. That's right. Ewa jest ciekawa. Can I use to clause here? No, because I only have an adjective. I would like you to say now, Ewa is a model, using instrumental. Please. Ewa jest modelką, right? This is our ending for feminine nouns in instrumental. Modelką. K becomes ką. A becomes o, in other words. Ewa jest modelką. Can you say Ewa is an interesting model using to clause, please? Can we say that? Yes. Yes, we do have an adjective here. However, our adjective is followed by noun. Therefore, we are covered. We can use to clause and we don't have to change anything. We just use the nominative case. Ewa to ciekawa modelka. Beata is a sad musician. To clause, please. Easy. I don't have to change anything. I've got a noun. I can do that. Beata to smutny muzyk. Right? How about Beata is a musician using instrumental? Here I have to use in the instrumental case. Therefore, muzykiem, like politykiem, right? This is the same principle. So Beata jest muzykiem. How about Beata is sad? Can you see? I have to match Beata, as her name is ending with a, right? Ends with a. So Beata, feminine noun, jest smutna, right? Beata jest smutna. How about she is sad? Ona jest smutna. How about she is a musician? How would you say it? Could you use to clause? No, because we cannot use to clause with personal pronouns. Ona cancels to clause. Ona jest. This is the only way of saying this. Okay, I hope that the more we practice, the more it becomes clearer, right? So let's do Wojtek. Wojtek is an energetic engineer. Using to clause, if possible, please. Wojtek is an energetic engineer. Wojtek to energiczny inżynier. Can I use to clause? Yes, because I've got an engineer. I've got a noun. Who he is. Can you say, please, he is an engineer? Think about how would you say it. He. Replace Wojtek with he. On. Because you are using personal pronoun, on, you cannot use to clause, you only can use the instrumental case. On jest inżynierem. On jest inżynierem. Fabulous. Can you say he is energetic, please? He is what like, so it's not an instrumental case, it's not who is who. He is what like. Therefore, on jest energiczny. On jest energiczny. Okay, so let's do the sentence with Agnieszka now. Can you say Agnieszka is a dentist using instrumental, please? There you go. Agnieszka jest dentystką. How about she is happy? Can you use to clause? No need for to clause because there is no noun. And on top of that, we've got a personal pronoun. So no need. Ona jest wesoła. Okay? How about Agnieszka is a happy dentist using to clause, please? Can we say this? Yes, we can. Why? Because we've got a noun. That's one thing. And it doesn't really matter that we've got an adjective here. We are covered, yes? And we don't have to change anything. We are using nominative case. Okay, so the last sentence for today's practice is Paweł. Can you say Paweł is a well-known artist using to clause, please? Look, no need to change anything. And one thing you may notice is why didn't I put znana artysta? Let me explain. Artysta is an exception, right? This is a masculine noun that ends with an a, with a letter, right? So although it looks like it's feminine, it's actually masculine. And for these kind of nouns, adjectives will always be masculine. So it looks odd, znany artysta, but because we are keeping the adjective masculine, it actually tells us we are describing the masculine noun. Znany artysta. Okay? If it was a female, right? Let's say Agnieszka is a well-known artist. You would have to change artysta to a female profession form. So that would be artystka, right? Let's put Monika, okay? And then, well, then you would be covered because then you would have to match the adjective with a noun. So to znana artystka. right? This is a feminine noun. However, artysta is a masculine noun, therefore znana. So let's change to Paweł. Let's say Paweł is well known. How would we say that? Paweł is well known. The only way of saying this, who is what like? Paweł jest znany. How about Paweł is an artist, as the last sentence today. Paweł is an artist using instrumental. There you go. This is what happens with the with these kind of masculine nouns that end a. We give them feminine ending as they have a. So we cannot say artystem, right? So artystą, we still change a into on, but this is a masculine noun. Right. So we are going to talk about adjectives next week in all the cases. Mianownik, nominative, dopełniacz, genitive, biernik, accusative, narzędnik, instrumental, and miejscownik, locative. We will look at how the adjective change in all those cases, and we will practice using the adjectives and nouns together. You know the nouns already, you know the forms of the of different nouns, how they change, the endings. So we will just look at adjectives now, so we can describe somebody or something using more words in all the cases that we learned so far. Dziękuję bardzo za dzisiaj i do zobaczenia za tydzień. See you next week.